close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Where are we going?
We are going to
Bijambare Caves. It's working till 5 p.m. but at the moment it's 4:30, so hopefully we're gonna make it. It's only 2 kilometers up towards the hill.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Here we are again. The train left us. Now we are taking a walk towards the cave. They say it's not that far, but the only problem is cave works till 5 p.m. and then you can enter till 5. But after that, I believe it's closed out. So we gotta hurry up. We wanted our baby to walk as well, but due to the lack of time, we put him in the baby carrier. So looks pretty amazing. It's woods everywhere. There are some restaurants, I don't know if you can see them, but a lot of people are here.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Oh. It is not easy, guys. Whew. It's very steep. And two of us are struggling a little bit, but it's worth it. Look at this. Let's go. Finally, we reached the cave. Was it difficult?
For me, yeah. I don't know for you, but for me it was very, very difficult.
Well, honestly, it was really steep. In some sections, I would say more than 60%. I mean, it's like climbing a wall.
Yeah.
But anyway, we made it. It wasn't easy, but it was very much worth it. The good thing is we got that train. It's only €0.5 per person. I mean, it's really, really cheap. So that's something that was very much helpful. Otherwise, you know, walking the distance to reach the trail would even nail us more. But anyway, look at this beauty, guys. I mean, this is incredible.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on